Domino's, we're constantly innovating to find better ways to deliver you pizza, which is why we're testing driverless delivery powered by Neuro. And it's got someone back to their old habit.
Parked in St. Vincent's Hospital car park. It looks like this guy here hasn't put his handbrake on. No handbrake. And the car's just rolled back like that and gone smack into the wall. No handbrake.
Not this for justice costume, Robin.
Cracking heroin, Gromit.
Fucking Jesus Christ.
Look,
He just fucking almost had an accident.
Oh, what? Someone just hit something? I think so. Fucking sounded like it.
Like a...
Yeah. Didn't you?
Yeah, I heard it. I thought it was a truck side hydraulic.
Could been. But there's no speed humps here. There's no potholes that would have made that sound. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there it is.
Oh!
Are you fucking stupid?
For fuck's sake. What you fucking doing? Fucking idiot! What are you doing?
time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
You're only one glasses, a pair from dyslexia. You're only one Cleo Mag from anorexia. You're only 5 yards from a fuck wheel. You're only 5 yards from a fuck.
Seeing what I saw.
It's a young road.
Wearing tight pajamas on an unregistered motorbike.
Young road.
Hang on.
And socks to match as well.
And no plate.
And no plate, because it's probably a dirt bike, which should not be on the road.
This is not a bright boy, is it?
No.
Hey mate, you're going to need that.
I thought he was going to try and overtake me, but even then, that would have been quite appropriate, because here the...
Fuck
Jesus Christ!
You, Ranger.
Don't think
You fucking plonker. You absolute fucking plonker.
I'm back, and I'm better than ever. Got a knack for making things better.
Straight through a red light. That's driving, I'm nuts. Oh yeah, that's good. So we go to that lane, go to this lane. To quote a great man, you haven't got a fucking clue.
I haven't got a fucking clue.
What a dickhead. Good one, Ron. Oi, you know you're driving a piece of shit. Rubberneckers happening. No, bro, I fully didn't fucking run that line. Hello?
This call is from Australian Criminal Intelligence Commission under an ongoing investigation. Australian Criminal Intelligence Commission, unified picture of criminal activity, and enable police and law enforcement personnel to find the information on legal action being executed under your name to control the smuggling of illicit drug over Australian territories. Australian Criminal Intelligence Commission has issued the order for suspension of all the bank account with Austrac and all your identity as important evidence found under your name. This is the final attempt to push back legal action. To connect with an officer in charge and more information on this case, press 0 and hold the line. I repeat, press 0.
Australian Border Force, how can I help you?
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. I will look for you. I will find you.
Why didn't you go and ask your mom why your daughter is stupid asshole motherfucker son of speech?
Oh, I call the death of my...
I believe what this asshole's gonna do. Wow, what a wanker in that truck. There's a van doing it too. How in the name of God do these fucking pricks go down a left turn only lane with turning traffic, across a divider, across a slip road, cut up everyone off that's lining up, and think this shit's okay?
When I went up there in 93, if you fuck up a move, don't worry. We'll edit it out. Just go back to the same place that you started and do the move over again. And I was fucking mortified.
Get the fuck out of there. You're not supposed to be in. Where are you going, you idiot? Where are you going? Get the fuck out of here. Look at this fucking moron. Eugene Vegan Fucktard 87.
Your grandfather, but hopefully we got. Do we have Code Academy today? We'll see what we can do. graduated from my state's largest university with my bachelor's degree back in December of
Another
last
one.
year. And now I'm having an eye. And said his grandfather passed away on September 9th, and he was
Yeah, I don't know.
having a hard time with that, as you would expect. But then
retard.
one of the recent Code Academy spots came up.
Stay right there. There's no right
Oh my
turn.
god.
You're just fine.
That's simple.
Yeah.
Come on. The Undertaker.
What is this shit? What have we dropped on the ground, people? We've got. Looks like someone lost their.
He got the crap knocked out of him in a Japanese department store. Their whole
Jesus
sale is
Christ.
being controversial.
What an idiot.